This is the GATE PTX HPA pistol. Before we even think about performance, gameplay, or whether it's worth the hype, let's slow it down and look at what you actually get for your money, because first impressions matter, and this is where expectations are set. Let's get this open. Apologies if I have to blur anything. I don't know how this is packed or if there's going to be an invoice showing any details. I've been waiting for this for a considerable amount of time. I haven't mentioned it on the channel. I've mentioned that something big was coming, and this is it. So let's get into it, get it open. Also, new for 2026, I've cleaned the desk up, and I'm going to try and keep it that way and go from there. So, you know, standard boxing, nothing to show what it is. Let's get rid of this packaging. Let's get into this. Okay, so there may be an invoice in here. Let me just check. We don't need that on camera. Yep, that's fine. We will just do that. As you can see, it comes really, really well packed. Let's just have a brief look through everything. Pistol. Comes in a really premium, really solid case, so that's going to be perfect for game days and transporting. I won't do anything with that just yet. A pretty cool Lambda barrel badge with some kind of effect on it. 2 80 round mags. I ordered these as extras because the 120s aren't ready. This is purely just an unboxing. This isn't a review. This isn't a review of the experience. So we're just unboxing the new kit. Some kind of GATE USB-C cable. Always useful. The RMR mounting plate as well, because I do want to stick a sight on this. And then the main part of the show, the PTX. So let's go over it. Let's get straight into it. The packaging feels solid. It's not flashy. It's not over-designed. It's clean. It's purposeful. It basically just shows you what it is. And it feels like this is aimed at people who actually use their gear rather than just displaying it. The box itself is a decent weight, which means that it's going to secure the things that are in there. There's no rattling, no loose movement as well, which is always a good sign before you've even opened it. This already feels like something that is built for serious players, not just a budget shelf piece. So let's see what we're getting. And guesses of what colour I've got before I open it, add to the comments. So I went for the OD green, and that also comes with a 80 round mag. I like it. It's a nice looking green, very much along the lines of my Wolverine Dig 1. Wow. Really, really weighty. It feels really good in the hand. When you put it in, the grip itself is fairly thick, but not uncomfortable. The trigger, again, this isn't a review. It feels all right. The build quality is lovely. I won't be going into opening it, using it, playing with it. There you go. That is the PTX. The first thing you notice is that it just looks great. It just looks great. Like the serrations on there. It's got a little like stipple in there as well for just putting your thumb when you're playing. Real nice. So what else do we get in the box? Obviously, the pistol is there. Okay, so we get a serial number, which I'll just cover up. Some O-rings, a Allen key. So that is first round 320 from a 6mm BB with a pressure. Okay, yeah, that's fine. So that's a certificate of quality just to prove that they've tested it. So the GATE manual, and then a lovely patch. So you've got your patch there. So let's see what's in here. Okay, so just a manual. That's pretty good. Tested with a ASTER Bifrost. Yep, that's absolutely fine. Okay, yeah, that's all looking pretty decent. Happy with that. And I don't know if there is a password or something for the control elements of it. So trigger stickers, I don't know what that's for. We'll have a look through the menu with that later. I believe because it's optical it may need trigger stickers. So that goes in there. Let me just check if there's anything in the top layer of foam. There isn't. So that is the unboxing and first opinion of the GATE PTX pistol. What's in the box is the pistol itself and a magazine. It's very standard, but this thing feels premium. There will be gameplay with it very shortly as well. Some point after this, I am going to a Airsoft game, so there will be a video of that. Obviously, there's nothing to rack as well, which feels really weird for a pistol because I've always used, apart from the AEP, which is the SSE 18, I've always used gas blowback pistols, so there's always been something to cock or do that way. So real interesting. Yeah, it's potentially the future of Airsoft, if I'm completely honest. So it's good. So far, it looks great. It feels great. Who is this clearly for? It's pretty clear straight away that this pistol isn't aimed at the casual player due to the price or the once-in-a-while skirmishers. This feels built for players who care about consistency, reliability and performance, especially if they're already running HPA or thinking about the switch. If you're expecting a traditional gas experience, then this isn't for you. This isn't it. And that's not a bad thing. It's just about knowing the target audience for it. But for now, though, that is the unboxing of the GATE PTX HPA pistol. If you want to see how this actually performs, make sure you subscribe to Tactopia Airsoft, and I'll catch you in the next one.